Hello students, welcome to my channel. My name is Darshan, I am your maths prof. So this is the fifth session of this chapter, and in this session we'll not solve any questions. It's just the introductory session for this is in this session we'll just see the basic terminology related to the circles. And there is a big chapter of the circles that is called circle theorems, which is gonna be I think after the I think 17th or 18th chapter will be there in your textbook. We'll come to there later, but this in this session we'll just see the basic terminology related to the circles, and maximum of this terminology we have already seen in primary classes, so it will be kind of revision for you. Clear? So just be with me. Let's start. First, the radius. Radius is a line segment whose 1.1 endpoint is on the center of the circle and another endpoint is at the edge of your circle. Okay, so it could be like this or like this, or like this, anywhere on the circle. Just one endpoint should be on the center and another endpoint should be on the circle. So that is what the radius is. Let me just draw only one here, because otherwise it will be very confusing for you. Yeah, so this is the radius. Then comes a chord. Unlike the radius, chord is a line segment whose both the endpoints lie on the circle only. So it could be like this, right? Or somewhere like this. Just make sure that both the endpoints are lying on the circle only. Clear? So that is called the chord of a circle. Third, diameter. Diameter is also a chord, but it's a special kind of chord which passes through the center of your circle. Okay, so it's a diameter which is a chord only, but it should pass through the center of your circle. And make sure that a diameter is the largest chord you can find in any circle. So if the circle has diameter 10 centimeter, then of course you cannot draw any chord more than 10 centimeter. So diameter is considered as the largest chord lying in the circle. And there is one formula that diameter is twice the radius always, because from the diagram only you can see that this is one radius and this is another radius. So obviously diameter is twice the radius. Clear? Next is arc. Arc is it's a portion of your circumference of the circle. Circumference is basically the border of the circle, and if I take any small portion of that circumference, let's say this portion, so it's nothing but an arc, right? But arc are two types. One is the major arc and one is the minor arc. If I take a smaller portion, let's say smaller than the half circle, then it is the minor arc. So this is considered as minor arc, right? And if I take a bigger portion, specifically bigger than your half circle, then it is major arc. So this will be a major arc. So two types of arcs are there, major and minor. If the arc is smaller than the semicircle or a half circle, then it is minor, and it is bigger than the half circle, then it's a major arc. Arc is just a portion of your circumference. Clear? Then fifth one is a sector. Sector is it's a region. It's not just a line or a curve. It's a region bounded by a pair of radii and an arc. Let's take one arc like this and two radii. These are two radii, and there is one arc like this. So this is your sector. This area, this region is your sector. Basically, if you see the pizza slice, it's always a sector. So this is called sector, but specifically this is the minor sector. Why? Because the arc associated with this sector is a minor arc. We have already seen what is minor arc here. So the arc associated with the sector is minor arc. This is why this is a minor sector. And same like that, if I take these two radii and if I take the arc which is the major arc, let's say this one, starting from that point to this, and this region, it is considered as sector only, but it's a major sector, right? So if I simplify it, if two radii are there and a minor arc, the region bounded by two radii and minor arc, it will be considered as minor sector, and a region bounded by two radii and one major arc is called major sector. Clear about the sector? And yeah, sixth one is a segment. Unlike the sector, segment is the region bounded by a chord and an arc. Let's say this is a chord. Yes, of course, a chord, it's a line segment whose both the endpoints lie on a circle. So that chord and this arc, and this is a minor arc. So chord and an arc, the region bounded by these two is called segment. And because this arc associated with this segment is a minor arc, so this is minor segment. And similarly, if I take this chord and a major arc, chord and a major arc, in that case this segment, which is segment only, but it's a major segment. Okay, so let's make it simple that minor segment is a region bounded by a chord and a minor arc, and major segment is a region bounded by a chord and a major arc. Clear? So these were the terminologies related to the circles, and in the 17th or 18th chapter we'll see in detail there are properties and there are different theorems based on this circle, which are called circle theorems. But in this chapter we'll just see the basic terminology only. Okay, so that was it in this video. If you find this video very helpful, just like and share with your friends, and just please subscribe the channel. Thank you.